welcome back to my channel. It's so good to be here and see you all. If you are passing by for the first time, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Join this family, guys. This page we talk about skincare, lifestyle, and everything in between. We're skincare junkies. We like to try out things and we want to get the best out of our money on this channel. Okay, today I'm going to, before I get into this video, I'm going to tell you guys that we now have ebooks. I will be sharing what our ebook contains in the description box. We also do online trainings. If you're interested, send me a message with my social media handles, my WhatsApp. They're all listed in the description box, and you can get right into it. Okay, so on this channel we make things, and these things, sometimes people ask me, how can they get the ingredients? Do I sell it? And all of that. Yes, I sell whatever it is I make on this channel because I use it, and I also have the ingredients I use for my videos for sale. So if you're interested, send me a message and then we can, move on from there. Okay, so today I want to show you guys quickly what we have in stock. We have our African black soap. This black soap is good. This black soap is good, as you can see. If you're interested, I can make an entire bucket for you if you're interested in this soap. This is our African black soap. This black soap, hey, see, it smells great, it foams very well, and it is great. Its ingredients are rich for the skin, as in it has a lot of AHAs, it has a lot of moisturizing properties, it has a lot of skin brightening properties. It also helps with body spots, acne, and all the good things. If you watch my last video, you notice that when I came back from my trip, I was breaking out. This is what I've been using on my face, and it has been working excellent for me. Like, my pimples is now drying up and my skin is evening out as I'm using it. Okay, and it's only been 1 week, so that's a lot in a week. Okay, so this soap is available for sale. We have it in little cups, we have it in buckets, smaller buckets like this. This is another soap, but we have it in buckets like this. We also have it in buckets like this. They're available for sale. Guys, get this soap. This soap is great. Okay, if you like to get it, let me know. But just look at that. Look at that again now. Look at that richness. Hey, this soap does not have fiber. Okay, the next soap is our papaya extra lightening soap. As you can see, people have been buying or have been scooping. We also have it in this size, the same size as the black soap. You can get this for your family. All of you will be using it. All my products smell nice. I don't do foul smelling products on this channel. All my products smell nice. If you haven't visited my skincare page, we're up and running. You need to visit. This soap is good. See, papaya is great for the skin. If you're someone, your skin is just dull, it's not bright, get yourself this soap. It smells great, lathers well, and gets the job done. Okay, your skin is dull, you don't like the way your skin is looking, you don't want to be too bright, you just want to glow small, come and get this. Okay, we have it for you. Then, if you're someone who wants to mix creams, don't have cream base, or you don't know how to make cream base, you want to buy, they have cream base for sale. Original cream base. Look at that. See, look at that texture. See, my cream base, there's no second of it. This is the best cream base in the market. Tell them I said so. This is our cream base we have for sale. We have in this size for sale. If you're interested, send a message and all of that. Also, if you want me to, formulate products for you, I'm also available. You guys, some people ask me, thank you for your videos, you are spending money and all of that. I'm spending money. You should come and support your girl by buying things. It's not easy to make all these things and share, my recipes with you guys. So if you don't have time, stress of making products and all of that, you don't know where to buy, you cannot be going to the market and be looking for zinc oxide here, all of that here, give it to me. I will do it for you. Okay, I don't know if I should make a different video for this product, but anyway, let's see how it goes. So guys, yes, that is that for our products. Our black soap, papaya soap, cream base, and every other thing. And oils and all of that. Just hit me up. Of course, I'll be advertising from time to time. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.